Well, hello there, friends. I am back with yet another makeup video. I'm kind of on a roll here with this makeup stuff. Also, kind of because I can't really come up with any other video ideas right now. But I'm really trying to experiment with doing different looks right now. Also, I really wanted to do a specific couple of looks with this green hair while I still have it before I dye it. So that's what I'm doing. So, doing yet another makeup that I have never done before. Gonna be turning myself into an alien today. Wow. I already got my contacts in, so that's out of the way and I can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna make it a special alien makeup because I will be adding UV paint to this one. So I'm super excited to see how that comes out. Don't really have a plan for this one. I think I'm kind of just gonna go for it and see what happens. So yeah, come on this journey with me. Let's go. Let's do it. I'm actually recording this on a Wednesday night. It's kind of late, and I usually start streaming around now to like an hour from now. So yeah, I might have to start streaming a little bit late today, but I thought it would also be cool to stream in this makeup too. So yeah, but the reason I'm recording tonight instead of Thursdays like I usually block out Thursdays for my video days. It's because we're doing Thanksgiving stuff tomorrow, so I am trying to record early so that I still get the video up on time, hopefully, instead of having it come out late. So yeah, I'm excited. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna stop talking and get started. hello there. I think I'm gonna call this done, although I'm really not sure how I feel about it. I realized a couple things while I was doing this makeup. One of them is that the body paints that I have are not ideal for doing this kind of makeup, like a full body makeup. It's like a cheap body painting set that I got, you know, to practice and stuff. And so it has a lot of different colors, but I've noticed that it doesn't really dry at all when I put it on. And as you can see during the application, I had a lot of like shine on my skin from the light hitting the paint, and the paint was like not drying at all. So what I ended up doing is using some of my eyeshadow to kind of like pat it down and like set it with like a powder to try to matten it up a little bit so that the light doesn't reflect as much, which helped a little bit, but it was kind of hard to do that because the two don't mix very well together. Yeah, just something to keep in mind for myself for next time. These body paints that I have are better for just like practicing just like designs and stuff. They are not for stuff like this. So I'm gonna need to probably invest in like actual body paints to do the things that I want to do. But yeah, I'll keep using this for other stuff. So I also realized that it's kind of difficult to make this look like an alien. Like, I don't know if it's, again, because of the makeup that I used, or if I just, like, I don't know, had, like, the design wrong or what. Like, I don't know. But I feel like it still doesn't really look like an alien, to be honest. Let me know if you like it. I kind of just, like, honestly, okay. At some point during the video, I actually was going to just strike the whole thing, give up, and be like, I'll try again next time. But I kind of just kept going and trying to, like, work with what I have. And, I mean, it turned out pretty cool. I don't know. It's fun. Definitely not what I had in mind, although I didn't really have a plan, so it's kind of hard to say what I had in mind. It's weird. It's definitely weird. I do, however, really like how it looks with just the black light. I absolutely love that. It's almost like more of like a skeleton or like a zombie look or something. I don't know, like, does this give you alien vibes? I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking it, but I love how it looks with just the black light on. It looks really cool and bright and colorful. Yeah, and of course with my glowing hair, it looks awesome. So I'm happy about that. The UV body paints are also not the easiest to work with. They're kind of like really watery. So I feel like I really need to like pack it on the brush and like keep dipping my brush in and getting more paint. So I don't know, it's weird. It's a little difficult to work with. Oh my god, it's so hard when I have an itch. I can't just scratch it, so I'm like poking it. But this is definitely a learning experience, if nothing else. I'm kind of glad that I decided to just keep going with it and see what happens, because then I don't lose a whole video, right? Because this took like a while. This took like 2 hours. Oh my god, I have an itch. So, let me know what you think of this makeup. It's definitely strange. I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know. I like the UV part of it, but I don't know if I like the regular part of it, you know? But anyway, I'm gonna end this video now. Thank you for watching, and yeah, if you liked it, please leave me a like, comment, and let me know what you think of this. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Do you think it's the paint that makes it look really weird? And if you have any questions, obviously you can ask them down below. And if you are watching for the first time and you are not subscribed, I do all kinds of artsy stuff, so if you want to see more of that, please subscribe. And I will hopefully see you on the next video. Hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you later.